Welcome everyone. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of how sugar travels from our fields all the way to your table.
Every single day, the world consumes more than 190 million tons of sugar, and most of it begins its journey exactly where I'm standing, right here, among these towering sugarcane fields. From a single stalk that holds nearly 15% sucrose to massive mills capable of crushing 40,000 tons of cane per day. Today, we're going to follow sugar's entire transformation from sunlit fields through boiling steel giants to the perfectly white crystals you find in your kitchen. You'll witness machines that spin at over 1,000 RPM evaporators running at up to 120 degrees course and packaging lines sealing 120 bags per minute, all controlled by teams of highly skilled British and American engineers. This is the unseen world behind every spoonful. Welcome to the full journey of sugar.
Alpha Charlie, you are clear for Bay 3. Hold short at the barrier, over.
The lower stalks look good, minimal lodging.
All right, run the final specs. Looks ready for the mill.
Yeah, send the next one down now.
Keep it moving, lads. Clear the ramp. Keep an eye on the moisture levels as it hits the wash.
Roger that. Seems to be running smoothly now.
pressure on line 4 is fluctuating again. We're at 2.2 bar.
I see it. The recovery rate dropped slightly, but it's still within the acceptable variance.
We're still low, showing 6.2.
Okay, adjust the flow rate to compensate.
How does that look?
Perfect, right on target.
Keep it steady at 85 degrees, ensuring even coagulation.
Looks like we're getting a good pull on this section.
Yeah, the flow rate seems optimized now.
Pressure looks stable at 40 psi.
Good, the flow rate seems consistent now. Let's log that. The reading is 75.2. Confirmed. Write it down.
Check the flow rate on auxiliary line 3.
Reading steady. Adjusting the main valve now.
Right, the viscosity is holding steady.
Indeed. The mesh is performing perfectly. See the LUX reading here.
The viscosity stabilized exactly as projected. Look at the correlation on screen 3.
Remarkable consistency at this temperature. I'll log the final values now.
We need to increase the flow on line 3.
All right, I'm adjusting the servos now.
Look at the flow rate on line 3.
All right, running perfectly now.
Are the manifests for the British shipments updated?
Yes, all synchronized on the tablet. We are ready for transport. Hmm, 65 grams of sugar per 100 grams.
Right then.
Right, let's give that a stir and see if it's sweet enough.
Oh yes, that is absolutely perfect. Well done. Okay, careful now, tip it slowly. That's it.
Look, Mummy, it's turning yellow.
From cane fields stretching for miles to precision centrifuges to family kitchens around the world, the journey of sugar is a story of engineering, agriculture, and tradition. Each granule you use has passed more than 20 quality checks, survived 4 stages of purification, and traveled hundreds, sometimes thousands of miles before reaching your table. Behind every bag is a global network of farmers, technicians, drivers, and retailers working together to deliver something simple, yet essential. And thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage from crop to crystal. Until next time, stay curious.